Hi everyone, this little video is going to show you how I connect the Domino Base System to either the Domino 500 or the 700. So when you receive your kit, you'll receive your base system with the handle and 2 thumb screws. Now if you're buying our Domino jig kit, you will also receive these 4 other sections here, and I'll explain those bits here. So to connect it to the Domino, if you're using it outside of using our jig, you can connect it via the 2 thumb screws here on the top setting, this allows you to use the Domino in this configuration when giving your plunge cuts into your media. Now if you're using the system with our alignment jig, you can take these off here and then move these up to the second set of holes. Now what you will also get is the support thumb screws here. This allows that when you've got the 20mm extrusion here, this allows this to be level without any tipping. You also get these 2 alignment pins, and these pins attach in these 2 threaded holes here. And these pins align with these bars here, like so. So that's how you connect it to the Domino DF 500. Now if you're working with the 700, it works exactly the same. The holes are in exactly the same position. Like so. And there you go. That's how you connect it to the Domino DF 500 and DF 700. Thanks for watching.